Slama Amughon Shuvuha Lag Maran Isum Siha. Certain portions from the word message on the Kemta or resurrection, second Hadab Shamba or first day, which especially reflects on the resurrection of our Maria or Lord Isum Siha, which is the beginning, center, and blessed finality of our Nasraya faith. For those who were immersed in Mamudisa or baptism on the great Shabsa or rest day, today is the new Hadab Shamba or first day. We rejoice in the eternal covenant that has been fulfilled through the resurrection of Maran Isum Siha. By his resurrection, risen Isu remains forever with us. Holy Kurbana is the celebration of this reality. The Slihas or apostles and the whole early Etha or church are witnesses to the resurrection. Let us participate together in the one holy Kurbana or offering for the sake of Kurbana-centered sharing. Because the risen Isu is our head, we have eternal hope. The new name of the risen Isu is also Slama or peace. This is the same blessing the Kahana or priest conveys during the Holy Kurbana handed down by the risen Isu. All the Slihas or apostles believed in the resurrection after they heard, saw, and touched the risen Isu. This is the blessing, mercy, and inheritance passed on by the risen Isu. The proclamation by Thomas Sliha, who declared the risen Isum Siha as his everything, is Mar Walah, means my Maria or Lord, and my Allah or Most Supreme. The best response is from Thomas Sliha. Through Thomas Sliha, we too are blessed to hear, see, and touch the risen Isu. The Raze Kandise or holy mysteries are served. Reciting Mar Walah, we can daily endure by depending on the risen Isu. On this day, when the Aramaya words Mar Walah were proclaimed, worshipping the risen Isu as the most supreme, let us celebrate it as the Aramaya or Suryaya day. Welcome to Mar Sliva Dera, Benai Benes Kemta, which journeys in the resurrection faith handed down through Thomas Sliha. Slama Amughon Shuvuha Lag Maren Isham Siha, Mar Suliva Dera Code 700.